What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, sport card fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming in halftime, 9:59 Eastern, 8:59 Central here in Wisconsin. Two finest breaks for tonight, but first a bad break drawing from Saturday night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. There are the entries. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is going to be Evan. Congratulations. And we'll start with the football break. Going to be 8 spots, 1 division per spot. Randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list. Paste it against the list we have on the website. Alright, here is the box for tonight. Alright, good luck, everybody. Randall Cobb, Kelvin Johnson, Des Bryant, Greg Olson, and Davante Adams. RG3, Robert Quinn, Blake Bortles, Allen Robinson. First hit going to the Texans, Tom Savage, rookie auto jumbo patch. Texans going to Jason B. Congratulations. Denarius Moore, Patrick Willis, Eric Ebron, rookie die cut for the Lions. Connor Shaw and Eric Ebron. Demarius Thomas, J.J. Watt, Eric Berry, Zach Ertz, and Jeremy Hill. Jimmy Graham, Patrick Peterson, Giovanni Bernard, Alshon Jeffrey, refractor for the Bears. Going to Robert R. and Greg Robinson. Navarro Bowman, Troy Polamalu, T.Y. Hilton, Blake Bortles, and Austin Safarian Jenkins. Clay Matthews, Mike Wallace, Reggie Bush, Taj Boyd, and Anthony Barr. Trey Mason, Dequez Denard, Wes Welker, Tony Romo, a blue refractor, 53 out of 99. Cowboys going to Peter P. And a rookie auto 2-color patch for the Bucks, Charles Sims. Bucks going to Gary. Kendall Wright, Torrey Smith, Brandon Marshall, Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie die cut for the Patriots, and Kelvin Benjamin. Tom Brady, Jamal Charles, Frank Gore, AJ McCarron, and Aaron Murray. Marshawn Lynch, Colin Kaepernick, Eli Manning, Sean Lee, refractor for the Cowboys, going to Peter, and Jared Abadaris. CJ Spiller, Matt Ryan, Andrew Luck, Rob Gronkowski, and Paul Richardson. That'll do it for the football. Let's get the roster for the baseball. Gonna be 6 spots in this one. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy that list. Paste it against the list of list of divisions we have on the website. And here is the roster for the baseball. Alright, good luck everybody. Miguel Cabrera, George Springer, Colton Wong, rookie die cut, Michael Waka, and Cliff Lee. Max Scherzer, Eric Johnson, George Springer, David Price. First one made, 1 out of 50. Rays going to Ashley tonight. Congratulations, and Joe Mauer. Masahiro Tanaka, rookie for the Yankees. Another one for you, Ashley. Pedro Alvarez. Willie Mays. Matt Davidson, and Yu Darvish. Josh Donaldson, Derek Jeter, David Price. Luis Sardinas. They don't have the first names on these, in case you're wondering why I'm flipping them. And Justin Verlander. Rougned Odor, Matt Kemp, Giancarlo Stanton, refractor for the Marlins. Going to Ashley, Jose Bautista, and Jason Hayward. Alex Rios, Steven Strasburg. Ooh, another Sandy Koufax. Oh, baby. Congratulations, James and Sandy Koufax on card auto. Second one of these we've pulled in the last 2 weeks. This one numbered 11 out of 99. Again, congratulations, James. Very cool. Evan Longoria and Craig Kimbrell. Trevor Rosenthal, Carlos Gomez, Xander Bogaerts, Jonathan Scope, and Andre Arienzo. Arabuena, Ezeribo, Felix Hernandez, Yasiel Puig, and Eni Romero. Jake Marisnick, Freddie Freeman, Ryan Braun, numbered 146 out of 199. Going to Nate. Yasmiel Pinto and Marcus Simon. Mike Trout, David Ortiz, Chris Davis, refractor for the Orioles, going to Ashley, Daniel Murphy, and Paul Goldschmidt. Christian Betancourt, Wilmer Flores. On card, rookie auto for the Marlins, Jake Marisnick. Marlins going to Ashley. Congratulations, Yadier Molina and Marcus Stroman. Will Myers, Clayton Kershaw, Chris Sale, Chris Owings, and Anthony Rizzo. That'll do it for the Monday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with a 2-box football break. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.